Carlos's questions. Carlos asked about AI and its impact on organizations, and what it's doing and what kind of impact is it having, and what is it having on wiring organizations. Then I asked the group, rate AI's impact on your own work, 1 to 10, 5 being neutral, versus positive and negative. And so that's what you're seeing the scores coming in on the sidebar there. But I think AI came up briefly as we were on that learning tour, but maybe you could share what you're seeing and kind of what some of your thoughts are related to AI and its potential versus its pitfalls or risks.
Absolutely. And I apologize. I think, I don't know what's happening with the transmission, but I look like I'm moving in slow motion, like the $6 Million Man. So I'm just going to sit still so as not to overload the bandwidth. But as far as AI, look, here's the thing about AI. Fortune again, I'm going to quote her. You should get Fortune to do this webinar next time, because all I'm doing is quoting her. But anyway, here's the thing to appreciate. AI is a tool. That's it. It's a cool tool. But let's remember what it is. It's got no intelligence. It's got no judgment. It's got no soul. None of that. It is, compared to anything else, it has a prodigious memory. You can load it up with, God only knows how many millions of documents or images. And it's very, very good at finding patterns. That's it. It's like, when you took your first stats class and you had to do linear regression. And so you had a bubble of data and you tried to draw a straight line through it. And you remember that it was like some some math to draw the line, but then there were errors, right? The error terms. And that's the difference between what the line thought and what was reality. So that's what AI is. All it is drawing a fancy line. All right. Now, sometimes that's useful if you can train it on the right information. All right. So let's just remember, I just want to say it's not intelligent. It's just drawing lines. That's it. But as far as that goes, it is a tool. It's a powerful tool. So then we get back to these behaviors, these mechanisms of winning organizations. So if you're going to use AI, what would be the danger zone behavior? And that would be incorporate AI into everything you're already doing all at once, right? Yeah, and it'd be like giving a bunch of kids who know how to ride a bicycle Ferraris. You're going from a weak tool to a strong tool and say, oh, you use it to get to school today. You know where that calamity ends. So so if we understand that this is a tool which we have very little understanding, one, of how to use it, where it applies, where it's useful, where it's not useful, where it's actually destructive. What's the argument here? One, we got to slowify. We can't do this in real-time operations because we're going to just blow things up. Second, we need to simplify. So if we're offline doing this in a safe environment, we probably want to be testing the AI on little things at first so we get a handle on how it behaves before we start trying to use it on more complex things.